Skaičiai nuo 1 iki 100. We will start with numbers 1 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is one exception to remember. The only numbers that have gender when describing a noun are 1, 2, and numbers between 4 and 9. Here is a quick overview. We'll cover this in more detail in another lesson. Let's move on to numbers 11 to 20. They share a lot of similarities with numbers 1 to 10, so we're going to learn them side by side. 1, 11. 2, 12. 3, 13. 4, 14. 5, 15. 6, 16. 7, 17. 8, 18. 9, 19. 10, 20. You'll notice that numbers 11 to 19 have a regular pattern of ending in lika, highlighted in red. Now let's count by tens. It's very easy as numbers up to 90 share the same ending of dashed, highlighted in red. Dashed, dashed. 20, 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. And finally, the easiest part of this video. You can now easily build all other numbers by using the base number and adding any number from 1 to 9. 21, 32. Remember, there is no dash or and between words. 103, 115. 200, 600, 600. And if you feel adventurous, here are some more numbers. 1000, tūkstantis, 5000, 5000, milijonas, milijonas, 7 milijonai, 7 milijonai, milijardas, milijardas. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, iki!